Hello everyone! For today's video, how to register or activate our Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus powered by AUB. Okay, if you're interested, just keep on watching and hit like and subscribe button. Okay, kung bago lang ang ating Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus and bago natin ito gamitin, we need to register or activate it to access features and services like pay bills, buy load, money transfer, and many more. Okay, so kapag nasa inyo na po ang inyong Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus, to register or activate it, first, kung ikaw po ay Android user, i-open mo lang ang iyong Google Play Store, then i-search lang ang Hello Pag-ibig by AUB. Okay, so ito po yun. At ito'y ating i-install. After ma-install, open your Hello Pag-ibig by AUB. Allow Hello Pag-ibig to send notification. Okay, I will choose allow. Then tap register. At i-click itong box na tayo ay sumasang-ayon sa kanilang terms and conditions. And then tap continue. Okay, so ito po ay for AUB Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus. Ang pwede lang na mag-open ng Hello Pag-ibig account. Okay, i-check nyo po ang inyong Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus kung may logo ng AUB sa likod ng inyong card. Then, kapag may logo naman ng AUB, i-click nyo tong OK. And then, get ready and make sure po na ikaw ay may stable internet connection at i-prepare mo ang iyong Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus for capture and prepare yourself for a selfie. At ang registration natin may take 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, then tap continue. At dito naman po ay i-allow natin ang Hello Pag-ibig to take picture and record video. Pwede natin piliin tong while using the app or only this time. Okay, itap ko din po itong allow to make and manage phone calls. At kunin ang Loyalty Card Plus to take a front photo. To capture, tap add photo. Okay, make sure po na ang lahat ng mga detalye ng iyong Loyalty Card Plus ID ay na-capture. Kailangan po na fully in frame ang inyong card at malinaw at nababasa lahat ng mga detalye. So, ganito po yung tamang position ng pag-capture ng ID card. Okay, then itap na natin tong proceed. Next is to take a selfie. Tap lang natin tong add photo. Ito po ay mga paalala for selfie. Alisin ang face mask, accessories such as eyeglasses, caps, at headgear. Panatilihin na ang mata natin ay nakatutok sa camera. Dapat ay tamang kasuotan. Manatili tayo sa isang maliwanag at i-position ang iyong mukha sa loob ng frame. Okay, then itap na natin tong proceed. Next is tell us about yourself. Ilagay niyo po dito yung inyong last name or apelyido, yung inyong mobile number, email address, yung inyong birthday, place of birth, at Pag-ibig membership ID or MID number. Okay, so ito po ay makikita natin sa front po ng ating Loyalty Card Plus. At AUB ATM card number, ito po ay makikita natin sa likod ng ating Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus or AUB ATM card. Next is iset ang password. Password policy po ay dapat 8 to 20 characters. Kailangang may at least 1 number at 1 letter. At walang 3 o higit pang sunod-sunod na pag-uulit kagaya ng AAA or 111. So, hindi po pwede ang ganon. And no 3 or more ascending or descending character kagaya ng ABC and 3, 2, 1. Okay, kapag nakapaglagay na po kayo ng lahat na hinihingi na detalye, ay itap na tong next. Then kunin ang code sent to your mobile number. Ito po ay 6 digits OTP. Kopyahin nyo po at ilagay dito. And then itap nyo na po ito. Then email verification. Okay, i-check ang inyong email inbox at kunin ang code sent to your email. So ito po yung code sent to my email, and then copy the 6-digit code at ilagay po dito. And then tap verify. Okay, next is sign here. Itap tong tap to sign. And then maglagay po kayo ng inyong signature dito. Kapag sa tingin nyo po ay hindi kayo satisfied sa inyong signature, itap itong clear. At kapag okay na and satisfied na po kayo sa inyong signature, ay itap itong done. Next is how did you find out about Hello Pag-ibig. Okay, tap this arrow down to select. Pumili po kayo kung by referral code, website, radio, TV or newspaper, Viber, Facebook, Instagram, or by family and friends. Okay, for me, piliin ko tong family and friends. Then, itap itong box na ikaw ay sumasang-ayon sa kanilang terms and conditions and privacy policy. Then, tap submit. Okay, huwag po natin i-close ang application kasi ina-upload pa po ang ating Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus photo. Okay, so ayan po, registration has been submitted and tayo po ay makakatanggap ng SMS sa mga susunod na banking day to confirm the status of registration. Then, pwede natin tong i-save and itap na tong finish. Okay, kahit po yung ating registration is still for approval, ay pwede na natin ma-login ang ating account. I-enter lang po natin ang ating mobile number and password. Then, tap login. And i-check lang natin tong terms and conditions. Then, tap I agree. So, na-login ko na po and pwede na natin makita yung ating profile. Yun nga lang po, kapag ni-tap natin itong transfer money, pay bills, ay lalabas po itong still for approval and some features are limited. So kapag na-approve na po ito, lahat po ng features dito ay pwede na po natin magamit. Sana po ay nakatulong po itong video sa inyo. At kung natulungan po kayo, hit like and subscribe button. Okay, thank you for watching.